Good morning guys. Andito kami sa may Naga pa rin, dito sa simbahan ng Peña Francia guys. Ang kilala ito guys, papakita ko sa inyo. So ito yung parking space na. Ayan. So mamaya na lang po. Ito. So ayun. So guys, nandito ako sa may front ng simbahan. So pause ko muna guys para maglalakad tayo sa may harapan. So guys, ito siguro yung parang may dala Peña Francia, si Father Miguel Robles Covarrubias. Guys, si Father Miguel Robles de Covarrubias. Ayan po, siya po tayo may dala ng Peña Francia in Virgin. So ito po yung historical na. Yan guys, si Father Miguel Robles de Covarrubias. Ayan guys. So during the Spanish time guys. Yan si Father Miguel belongs to Spanish family from San Martin de Castañar, where an image of Blessed Virgin was found in the slope of Peña de Francia. With his family, he came and stayed. Thanksgiving for the blessing he have received with the help of Our Lady of Peña Francia de Francia. Father Miguel promised to be a stone shrine to Our Lady of Peña Francia along the bank of Pasig River in Manila. And he was invited by Dominican Bishop Andres Gonzalez, his former rector at Santo Tomas Seminary, to serve a priest in Nueva Cáceres. He became a priest in Naga Cathedral, and he became a diocese of Cimarrones, and he built a chapel along the bank of Naga River in 1710 guys. Matagal na pala ito. He commissioned making the image of Our Lady of Peña Francia and continue to promote the devotion to Ina. So guys, ito pala one guys, Peña de Francia ay nakita ni Father Miguel Robles de Covarrubias. So kaya ang kanyang mission is to build one shrine na siya ay nabistino dito sa Naga. So ito, tingnan natin yung simbahan. So yun, ayan guys yung front. So puntahan natin doon sa harap. So guys, nasa loob po ako ng simbahan ng Peña Francia. So ayan po yung natin dito, kung saan nakalagak ang ating ina. Okay guys. So ayan guys, Siya po yan, yung pinoprosesyon natin dito sa Peña, Francia. Naga City. So, yun. So guys, hanggang dito na lang po. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye.